Hi, today we're gonna show you how to replace a screen in a Sony VAIO VPCEE42FX. Okay, so first flip it over and you have to remove the battery. Remove this cover. Where is the hard drive? Take the hard drive out. Once you have your hard drive out, you have to remove the DVD unit. And start to remove all the screws around the cover. Okay, so as soon as you remove all the screws around, especially these two screws, there are different size screws and you have to take them out. Now you have access to the whole back of the computer. Already exposed the motherboard. What you're planning to do is remove these two cables. These ones that are for the Wi-Fi antennas. You have to remove them. Always remember the order, and if you want to mark, this screw is black, so you have the reference for this cable, which is black. So you have to work it out all around. Try not to damage another parts, and remember the route. So you're good to go on this side. And of course you have to be aware that you have to get special tools or make your own like this to remove the connector for the LCD on the motherboard. Sometimes it's very hard to take them out. And try to be very gentle, because this cable is the data cable, and you have to remove this screw, this two, and these two screws. So as soon as you remove those screws, you have to leave the ones on the top in order to allow you to open the laptop like this, and you hold the whole motherboard with one hand and you release the rest of the screw. Now you can take the motherboard out, and the screen is gonna remain on your desktop. By the way, this is longer version. There is another videos and other people who try to take the LCD bezel out without dismounting from the motherboard, but that's not the correct professional way. Okay, so now you have to find all your rubbers and take them out and remove the screws. Okay, so now when you remove all the screws, so you just try to work with the bezel and remove all the tabs. Be patient. It's very, very delicate. You have to remove these screws in order to take the LCD out. And don't forget to unplug the camera. Okay, now the screw has been removed, so you have to flip it over and remove the connector. So, then take the ribbon from the camera. And after that you have to take these screws out, all of them, for each side, to get your hinges or the legs for your hinges out. Okay, as soon as you get your new screen, you have to reinstall your hinges in place. Okay, so after that you have to reconnect your cable from the data cable and reinstall the screen on the place. As soon as you get your data cable in place, don't forget to reconnect your camera cable. It's very important. And reset back the screen on the place. Okay, now what you gotta do is reinstall your bezel and all the screws there. Okay, now so as soon as you complete your whole LCD assembly, you can bring your motherboard back and reinstall the motherboard. Okay, you have to set back your LCD assembly and bring back your whole motherboard as the removal. So you get up. So if you can see now, it's gonna hold on. This part is the most important because the whole weight of the computer is held by the hinges. So you gotta be very careful what you're doing. And now you can now fold it back and reinstall the cable. So now you have to plug back. Remember the black, this black, towards the screw, this black. Okay, now so we're ready. You have to reinstall your cover again. Make sure all it's in place. Good. And reinstall the last two screws, the big ones, from the hinges. Then reinstall your DVD. And the hard drive. Make sure it sits in place. And the rest of the screws. Okay, now you finish all your screws. Flip it over again and make your final test. Of course, you can remove your protector to see how they behave. Now we have a screen. We're successful. It looks wonderful. Okay guys, I hope you find this video helpful. Follow us on the social media and thank you for watching.